Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up rich snippets, also known as Schema Markup, on your Shopify store. Rich snippets help search engines better understand your content and can display extra information in Google search, such as product prices, availability, ratings, and reviews. While rich snippets aren't guaranteed to appear, adding proper Schema Markup improves your chances of getting enhanced search results. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin, then Online Store, then Themes. Most modern Shopify themes, especially Online Store 2.0 themes like Dawn, already include basic structured data for products. Before installing anything, it's a good idea to check whether your theme already supports Schema Markup. Next, open one of your product pages and use Google's Rich Results Test tool. Enter your product page URL and run the test. Google will scan the page and show whether product schema has been detected, along with any warnings or errors that should be fixed. If your theme doesn't include the structured data you need, you can install a trusted SEO or schema app from the Shopify App Store. Many of these apps automatically add schema for products, collections, blog posts, breadcrumbs, and other important pages without requiring any coding. After installing the app, follow the setup instructions and allow it to scan your store. Most apps automatically generate the appropriate schema markup using your existing Shopify product information, including product titles, prices, inventory, and descriptions. Schema markup relies on this information, so incomplete or inaccurate product data can lead to warnings in Google's testing tools. If your store uses a product review app, verify that it's compatible with your schema solution. Many review apps automatically include review and rating schema, allowing eligible products to display star ratings in Google search results. After completing your setup, run your product pages through the Google Rich Results test again. Confirm that the product schema is valid and review any recommendations or warnings. Fixing these issues improves the quality of your structured data, even if they're not critical errors. Keep in mind that adding schema markup doesn't instantly create rich snippets in Google search. Google decides when to display enhanced search results based on many factors, including your site's quality, content, and search relevance. It may take several days or weeks before changes appear. It's also a good idea to monitor your website in Google Search Console. If Google detects structured data issues, they'll usually appear in the enhancements or shopping reports, allowing you to resolve problems before they affect your visibility. Finally, continue keeping your product information updated. Whenever you change prices, availability, product details, or images in Shopify, your structured data should update automatically if you're using a compatible theme or schema app. Accurate information helps search engines trust your listings and improves the overall shopping experience. And that's it. That's how to set up rich snippets or schema markup on your Shopify store. By checking your theme, testing your pages, using a trusted schema app when needed, maintaining accurate product data, and monitoring Google Search Console, you'll improve your chances of earning enhanced search results. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.